Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the very first ever men's box by The Box. This is for November, and again, this is the men's box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so The Box came out with a box for men, and this is their very first box debuting it. I purchased this not only to give to my man because I get so many boxes, but to show you guys what's in here as well in case you're interested in ordering it for yourself or for a man in your life. So I wanted to bring this to show you guys what's going to be inside. And I think on this one I ordered a 3-month, or maybe I did month to month, I can't remember, but this, when I first started, was $25, and it said they had an introductory rate of $25 and you'd be locked into it, but it was going to raise the price to $35 very, very soon. So right now it might already have been changed to $35, but I originally picked this up at the $25 range, so I should be locked into the $25 as long as I keep my subscription active. Now, it is supposed to be valued anywhere from $80 to $150 per box. So let's go ahead and get into the very first men's The Box for November. Now, they do just like the other one that I get for myself. They put the mailing label over the entire thing, so I do cut it off. But this one, it did say Men The Box on it. So I know this wasn't my normal monthly box, which is delayed because I guess there was an item that they didn't receive on time or something like that. So we're getting that one later than normal, and I haven't received even a shipping confirmation on that yet. So let's go ahead and dive into the men's The Box for November. So let's get in here. And when you open her up, okay, so they get a card just like we do. So the men's box is the same thing. And this actually says the retail value of this box is $151. But it is wrapped just like our box. So that's really cool that they get something that's comparable, like as if it's wrapped in tissue, it has a sticker, and it even has the squigglies inside. So that is really neat. So let's go ahead and just dive in here. We'll go through the products and we'll see if it's worth it. So the very first item that I'm seeing right on top, this says Tokyo Milk, dark bulletproof shea butter hand cream. That's a really cool package, especially for a man, but this is a hand cream, and the hand cream, $22. This better be a big hand cream in here. Bulletproof smoked tea, coconut milk, crushed cedar, and ebony woods. So it slides out this way, and there is the product inside. I mean, it's a pretty decent size, but still $22 for this little guy being just a hand cream. Hopefully it's really good, but I do like the fact that there is actually a gun on it. This definitely does scream more masculine than feminine, so I do appreciate that. And this says $22. And is there a safety seal? Yes, there is a safety seal. That's like the silver. Normally they have a thing on the end that you push down, and we don't have that. So let me get my knife. Okay. I mean, it kind of has a man's like musky scent to it, but it does have some good smelling stuff going on too. So he's gonna be smelling good. Okay, so next we have is the Lip Balm Original Luxe Vegan Lip Treatment. This is valued at $12. It says the lip balm is a multitasking powerhouse that leaves lips truly hydrated, nourished, and protected, vegan and cruelty-free. And it's just a standard white. There's no coloration or anything like that. So there's a lip balm for them. Okay, so there's that item. For those wishing to balance oil production, plump, tighten tone, and even skin pigmentation, Add a 3 to 5 drops to palm of hand, then emulsify between hands and press into face and neck. So there is that guy. Next we have is this product right here. That's weird. Why would they get 2? I don't know. I mean, I think maybe there should only been 1 and maybe save the other one for next month's box. I'm not quite sure, but there's 2 face oils. So, all right, here is the next one. Works with scarred face by renewing skin through stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants. So this helps soothing fine lines and wrinkles and enveloping you in a sensual ritual with hair variety consistently and citrus bloom aroma. It smells like essential oils to me. So we have a hand lotion, a lip balm, and 2 face oils. Then here is, it says Defender. And this looks like no clogging, no pulling, no tugging. Okay, so this is a shaver. And it does have a little suction cup that you can stick into the shower if you would like. But here is a Defender shaver. This, it says razor $5. So this is $5. So there's that. And then there's one item left in here. And that is this guy, and it says Muscle Balm Ultra Strength Formula. So there's that. And this guy, the active ingredients and essential oils provide powerful, long-lasting pain relief and eases discomfort due to aching joints and tired knot muscles. Relax and surrender the warmth sensation by following refreshing coolness. Play hard, then surrender the Allow Muscle Balm to heal your aching body and ignite your soul. So that is everything that came in this month's The Box for Men. So going over it again, we have the Muscle Balm, and this is valued at $24. We have the one serum right here, which is valued at $48. We have the other serum that's valued at $40. We have the hand cream valued at $22. We have the razor valued at $5 and the lip balm valued at $12. Definitely, I think this is valued correctly. I think the other ones might be a little overpriced, or maybe that's what they sell for and they're just a better product than what I'm thinking. But it is definitely of value, that is for sure, because I only paid $25 with free shipping. Even if you signed up now for the $35, it's still of value. That is for sure. So I definitely do see the value and I do like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these products to my man, and I'm gonna repackage it back in here so then he can open it for himself. Hopefully he'll use the face oils and stuff like that, because you know, we're not getting any younger. Every single minute, every single second, we are getting older. So I'll see what he does with his own stuff. But again, I wanted to bring this on here to show you guys that the box now has a men's version, which I think that's really, really awesome. I love when a box has a men's and a women's, or even one that's for both, because it just makes me feel better if I get something for him, because I'm getting boxes all the time. So I really love when they come out with a men's box that I can give to him as well. So there we have it, you guys. That is everything for this box. Again, everything is valued at $151. And yeah. So comment down below, let me know, did you know that they were coming out with the men's box? Did you order the men's box? Have you seen the men's box? Do you want to get the men's box? Let me know all of the details down below. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, and you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.